Good morning everyone. I Dipanshu, a student of Government Model Sanskriti Senior Secondary School, now tell you the model of automatic street light control. Introduction of the model. The automatic activation and deactivation of street lights is a smart and efficient way to manage public lighting. This system uses sensors and timers to detect ambient light level, turning lights on at dusk and off at dawn, reducing energy waste and manual labor. Such systems are widely used in urban areas to enhance safety, convenience and sustainability. The focus area of our idea. The focus area of our idea is to implement an efficient and automatic systems for controlling street lights, enhancing energy conservation and reducing manual intervention. Key aspects include energy efficiency, reduce unnecessary energy consumption by automatically street light operations, smart technology integrations, leverage sensors and timers for optimal performance, urban infrastructure improvement, enhance public safety and convenience through reliable lighting management. This cause of the problem: inaccurate sensor reading. Light sensor may be affected by nearby lights, shadows or weather conditions, leading to incorrect triggers. Outdated lighting technologies. Many systems still rely on less efficient technologies like high pressure sodium and metal halide lamp. Inefficient control strategies. Current control strategies may not dynamically adjust lighting levels based on real-time conditions. Effects of the problem: the energy waste in public lighting due to street light being activated unnecessarily can lead to increased energy consumption, higher electricity uses, straining resources and increasing cost. Environmental impact: greater carbon footprints contributing to climate change and pollution. Financially burden: higher maintenance and operational cost for municipalities. Light pollution: negative impact on ecosystem, wildlife and human health. The objective idea of our
ऑब्जेक्टिव से स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है? चल ही रहा है.
Objective idea: the energy waste in public lighting is likely due to inefficient system, outdated technologies or poorly calibrated sensors. Some possible causes include inaccurate sensor reading triggers lights unnecessarily, outdated lighting technologies consuming excessive energy, lack of smart control or adaptive lighting strategies, over illumination or poor lighting design. Now, the material used in our model. The automatic street light system likely utilizes light sensor, photocells, detect ambient light levels to trigger off on switch. Now, the material used in our model is light sensor, timer of controls, relay or switches, energy efficient lamps. Now, the description of model. The street light system operates on a simple automation model. Night time activation: light sensor detect low ambient light, triggering the system to turn on the street lights. Morning deactivation: increasing light levels or timer signals deactivate the system, turning off the light. This model ensures street lights are only operational when needed, conserving energy and reducing manual labor. The conclusion of our model: the automatic street light system effectively optimizes energy efficiency and conservation by activating at night and deactivating at dawn when light levels increase. This automation reduces manual intention, conservation energy and enhancing public safety. Thank you.